Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Well, it is time for another What's She Making Wednesday. And today we're gonna take a little break from card making because I know many of you are wrapping gifts. And so we are going to make a different kind of card, a gift card holder in a new fun way. So let's get started. You can add it with a bow. Good morning, Linda. And it can be a gift like that. You can also fold it and mail it in any one of your cards. And this is what it will look like. So here is what you need. Just put those at the top. You need some DSP. So I am using the 6x6 from the Take a Bow. I love this paper. It's so bright, it's so fun, it's so Christmassy. But this pattern that we're going to do today, you could use for birthday gift cards, any kind of gift cards. But today we're going to use the Take a Bow. And I checked right before my video and it was still available. It is on low inventory. So if you don't have that, you'll want to grab it. And you'll need some kind of circle die. So the bigger the die, the bigger your gift card holder will be. So if you have some of those, you know, those giant gift cards they have now that are a big old square, then you could use maybe the deckled circles if you have those, or, you know, one of the bigger circle dies. Today I'm going to be using this big circle from the Christmas Friends die. This is also still available. And you can also use this great big one from Spotlight of Nature. That's actually what I used to create this one. And this one's just a tiny smaller, but it is from the Christmas Friends and it holds a regular gift card. So it's so super easy. You just need your paper and your circle die cut. And I'm going to use the Christmas Friends one today so you can see. I just used this and the Take a Bow paper, and you're going to cut 4 circles from any of your designer series paper. So I just used this and cut 4 of these. So let me just show you how easy this is. So we're going to take each of our circles and you can just decide, you know, which patterns do we like better. You're going to see them both either on the inside or the outside. So, you know, it really doesn't matter because I think, especially if you're using coordinating papers, they all go together, right? Like no matter which way I move them, they go together. So we're just going to take our 4 circles, and with each one we are just going to line them up, fold them in half so that they are just a half circle. Okay, just folding them in half. And for this I didn't use the bone folder because I want to make sure that the whole circle lines up before I crease it. And so it's just easier to, for me, it was just easier to line this up and crease it as I made sure that that lined up all the way around. And then our last one here, we will crease, line that up, and fold that one in half. Now I'm going to use the Stampin' Seal today. This one is what I have found to be the easiest with this project. So we're just going to take our first circle here. We've got it folded in half. We're going to put a little bit of the Stampin' Seal adhesive just right at this kind of top right part. Then we're going to take our next piece and we're just going to line up this. Circles don't really have a point or a corner, but we're going to line up this corner with this top corner here, and we're just going to stick that down. And so if it doesn't line up, that's why I found, like, if it's not straight, you want it to be kind of straight on that crease, then you can move it. That's why I like the Stampin' Seal for this. I love Stampin' Seal Plus, but when I tried it with this, it was too strong. So we're just going to put another little bit here. So you can see I'm only putting it like on this top portion. Then we're going to take our next piece and the same thing. We're just going to line that up. And then the same thing with our last piece. There we go. And we're going to put that down right there. Now with this last one, because we don't want to You could put adhesive here, but what we really want to do is we want to pull up this part here, pull that up and tuck that under, and then put a tiny bit of our adhesive right there. And then now we have this beautiful gift card holder. So you can put those in and just do the same thing and tuck, you know, your one side to have it just like so, or and you could put, you know, a little embellishment there. You could tie ribbon around it. You could just tuck it in your card like that, and you have this beautiful gift card holder. And then when you put your gift card in, it fits right inside. It's just a gift card that I had, but it just fits right inside this one that we use. So this one here and this one here are both using that Christmas Friends circle. If you want it a little bit bigger, you can use this next biggest one here on the Spotlight of Nature. That one worked well. Or any of your other big circle dies. It's so easy, so quick. So if you need a last minute gift card holder, this is perfect for that. And you can even wrap it with a bow, tuck a little tag in there, and it can be the gift just as so. So I hope you love today's gift card holder. Super quick, easy peasy, and uses some fun designer series papers, right? And also I wanted to show you that with that Christmas Friends circle and a 6x6, you can actually get 2 out of 1 sheet and then have a little bit of scraps left over, right? But you can get 2 using the Christmas Friends one. So I loved that because it maximizes our DSP and it maximizes the die and getting the most use for our gift card holders, right? Happy Wednesday, everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.